Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have like a little haul video, like a crafty haul. This is not so much dies. I only have these little dies right here. Just these little ones, but the rest is like die cuts and like stuff to make embellishments. So I'm so excited to show you guys. This is all from one shop called KScraft on Aliexpress. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I got because I've been like looking hard for die cuts and stuff to make embellishments. So I want to share with you guys what I got. Starting off with the one and only metal die that I got. This was in one whole set. They were attached together, but I took them apart already. Now these are called pocket dies. So they create like a pocket. You can make like little gift card slots, little money slots, whatever it is. They create a pocket in whatever you are making. So this top one, it cuts out the whole entire thing like this. So you could attach this to something and still have a pocket. But I would also suggest using then this die because you're gonna have to attach this to something to make it pretty, like to a white paper for example, like to something like this, and then you also have to make that die underneath it. So I would attach this to like white or I don't know, something else. Then this other pocket, this one that I was showing you guys, it creates that little slot in the middle. So this you could attach to something and then you have a little pocket. So you could attach it on the sides or whatever and you have a little pocket to slide whatever you want inside of it. So I thought that was super fun. And I just was thinking about like making little, I don't know, maybe like gift card holders or something like that. So I really like these dies. If you want to see what I create with these little pocket things, please let me know in the comment section down below or give this video a thumbs up and I'll make sure to do that, and I'll create like a whole bunch of different variety ones for you guys so you guys could see like what they all look like and how I would go about making something. So let me know if you guys would like to see a video of me using these pocket dies. Next up, I got these little doilies. Now they came in two per order. So I got like this blue one and this green one. I will include the exact links down below with the colors that I got because they had so many different color options. But I just like love how these look. Like, aren't they so pretty? And I could just like layer stuff on this and add embellishments and it would just look so pretty and so fun. So I really wanted some doilies. I'm actually thinking of going back and ordering some other colors like pinks and purples and things like that. So I really do like these. They're nice and bright and remind me of like spring and like summer colors. So they're so fun. And this one actually would also work for the winter. So those are great. Next thing I got is the set of dies. I will have links to everything down below. Sorry for the crinkly noise. It's totally like a noob thing to do. So I will come back after I open these so I can show you some of the dies. Alright, there's so much fun in these dies. I'm going to show you guys some up close because they're so pretty and it's kind of hard to see with I think the gold. So you got like this little pinwheel. There's that one. Here's some of them so you could better see like what they look like, but I cannot wait to make embellishments with these. There's just so many different fun things. You have flowers, you have the words happy heart together, congrats. You have a little celebration hat. This one says bag claim, so this one would be like a travel. This one says let's get together. There's little butterflies, little ribbons and bows, or this is actually a ribbon like an award kind of thing. More flowers. They're just such pretty die cuts and I just love, love, love the accent of all the gold. Here's another set that I got, and these are just vellum dies. So these are going to be like a great addition to embellishments. Some of them have like some gold on here. There's some random ones with some foiling, like free to move. So pretty, guys. This one says tomorrow is Friday, get ready. Let's smile. Good night. Say hello to Friday. These super pretty ones, guys. Like, so many of these are just like so pretty. So these are the vellum dies. Like, oh, they're so fun. Oh my goodness, look at these guys. They're so fun. Wow. I mean, I totally could have made these myself, but like that would take a lot much more work than buying these for, you know, I forget how much they were, but they're so cheap. It's from Aliexpress, so I just love buying this kind of stuff. Here's another set of dies that I got. This is more like a love kind of theme. So just to show you some of these, this one says Love Day, and I could take out obviously that little piece inside, some hearts, Lots of hearts because it's like a love kind of thing. This one is a person holding a heart, like a little photo thing. And these are just so fun to make embellishments. You have a little flamingo, that's mad cute. Lips, this just says love. Some more tags. What is that, cotton candy? That's amazing, okay. Then this one says, you're a gem. And there's just like so many like different fun ones. Also with the gold, because you guys know I love gold. Ooh, this is gonna be so fun to use. Wow, I love that. Okay, like so many of these. Ooh, this one says smile, stay on target. Okay, first of all, this would be great for like a Target card. If you're making this a card for somebody that loves Target. Wow. Okay, this one says hello, be mine. So Valentine's Day, lovey-dovey, anniversary, whatever it is. These would be so fun. Then I also got this set. Now this one also has more gold accents, but this one is like very botanical from what I saw, like photos. So this one also just looks so fun. Oh, look at that typewriter and stuff. I'm not going to take them all out. It's just like a pain in the butt. But I see like a little camera. You have, oh my gosh, I love dream catchers. I love that. You have like flowers. You see some butterflies. A bird with a crown. This says shine. A little, oh, a heart, geometric heart. This also says shine again. And then there's like more flowers. You got some arrows. So just like a lot of fun stuff. Oh my gosh, a bike. Cactus plant. Another thing. Ooh, a hot air balloon. This one says go with the flow. It's a little clipboard. A little pencil. These are so cute. And this one says not every man. I don't know what that, how I would use that. But so all of these are just super fun as well. Like I honestly cannot wait to make embellishments. If you guys also want to see like an embellishment making video, please let me know. I'm going to be practicing because I'm new to this. But if you guys would like to see the process of how I do it, let me know. Next up, I got some word stickers to also make like embellishments and things. So let's see, we have just like these ones that say our favorite place. Oh wait, are these even stickers? Those are not stickers. Just kidding, guys. Okay, so these are the stickers. Okay, so you get 4 sheets. It says small act transform the world, our journey, we had the best time, life is happening for us, not at us, be in the now. You are my sunshine, live, create, tell the story, repeat. I love that. Today I'm excited about everything. You got this, think happy, be happy. It is what it is. Make you path. I guess that's supposed to be make your path. Do less with more focus. Lovely day. And just like a whole bunch of different ones. So I love that there's different colors. You have like a yellow, like a more neutrally pinkish, black, and more of like a white one. So I really like these. Can't wait to use these in my embellishments. More die cut shapes, because why not? Okay, so these ones are definitely a little toned down. They look kind of like they're, I don't know, like they're more papery than the other ones. But I still like them. Like they still look nice. So this one says hello. You got some more florals and some gold accents. This little thing says dream on. That's so cute. What are these little antlers? Oh, it's like a deer with antlers. That's cute. There's just like a whole bunch of stuff in here. Little letter embellishment things. You got some flowers, explore, travel-y stuff. More flowers, wild thing. That's cute. Flowers. This one says adventure, this big one here. Oh, there's 2 of those. So yeah, just like a whole bunch of like these embellishments that just go together. You can make stuff, or like die cuts rather. You could just make a whole bunch of embellishments. Also guys, if you have any ideas of how I should organize these, please let me know. Like I don't know if I should organize them by set, which I really don't think I should do. I feel like different sets could go together. But I feel like maybe I should organize it by category. So like this one would be like travel and adventure-y stuff. Then you have like lovey-dovey. The florals could all go together. I don't know, or should I do it more by color? But then like, I don't know how I would do this by color. Like, where would this go? Green, blue, pink? Like what? I don't know. So I don't think color would work out so well. I think that'd be very hard to categorize. And then maybe one of them could just have like words and phrases and stuff if it's not like specific to anything. I'm not sure. Let me know how I should organize these guys if you have any ideas. And then the last thing I got from, what is it, KScraft, I think it was, are just these, like, they're more like chipboard dies. So I'm not even going to bother taking these out of the package. I think you guys could see it fine. So you have a flower. This says hello here. This thing says good vibes. You have a pineapple, and this pineapple is attached to this. It says you are the pineapple of my life. That is mad cute, guys. Okay, you don't even need to layer that. I mean, you can over a doily or whatever, and that would be cute. This is our adventure. Lucky, make your own paradise. We be chillin'. So cute. So these are like chipboard dies. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my little crafty haul video with a whole bunch of die cut shapes and things and word stickers and doilies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you guys are looking into getting any of these things, I will have links for everything down below in the description box, so check that out. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, because there's going to be a lot of crafty videos coming your way, a lot of planner videos, and just like a lot of like creating videos, because I just love to create things. So whether it's like planner related or crafty kind of related, it's more so creating. I just like creating everything. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!